three purposes. The first one is to study the major subject in English, because all the textbooks our students study are in English, not Vietnamese anymore, right? So they have to get English so they can read and they can study the major subject. And the second is for international academic exchanges. So whenever a chance comes to our student, they can go abroad, like go to Japan, go to Germany, go to Austria, go to any country. They can use English for their study without any difficulties. And the last one is to assess the environment of global competition. Yeah. Nowadays, working in Vietnam is not only the first choice of a student. If they want to have more like income, they try to go to other country for their working. Yeah. I know many of my students. They go to England, like to Japan, to work for the company in there. And people would chat a lot on Facebook, so I know their progress, and it's very like very essential for them. Yeah. Now I'll show you. I say 1, 2, 3. Right. The first is how it is learned, not how it's taught, but I visit it face to face. And the second one is online learning. That is the kind of blended one. And the third one, I will talk to you about how we assess our students in the English level. Okay, so we have only 25, maximum 25 students in the class. Usually it's about...
How do you divide?
We have a placement test. We have like a placement right from the entrance. So we divide them into the right level. Yeah. So there are 25 students in a class, and we have from intermediate level, we have 2 teachers, one Vietnamese, one for a native speaker. We have teachers from Ireland, from Fiji, from Singapore, and from America. Yeah, so they come to teach for our students, and that is a communicative learning approach. And we can experience, right? The students are asked to do a lot of paperwork and group in the class. And we have fully equipped classroom. We have projector, we have loudspeaker, like anything we support for the teaching learning is equipped in the class.
So in the group, a mix of several majors.
Yes, yes. So we have the preparation period. From the preparation period, they just fully study English, and they're from different majors. And until they pass the English level, and then they move to the main course. That will be the major.
Here, so we come into detail. We have 6 levels. The first one is fundamental. So for a totally beginner who knows nothing about English, so we can join with that one. And we have top-notch 1 that is elementary, we have top-notch 2 that is pre-intermediate, top-notch 3 that is intermediate, summit 1 that is upper intermediate, and summit 2 that is advanced level. So in our university, that is a must for students to have to pass summit 2, so that they can study in the main subject and the major.
So this book is like 4 series.
Yeah.
General
English.
That is general English. Yeah. And here with top-notch fund, there's nothing to compare, right? So with summit 2, the student can get about 575 to 600 in TOEFL paper base. Yeah. And for the TOEFL I, which is around 90 to 100. That is for summit 1. So it's the kind of the requirement by internet, like by the university in like native speaking countries. So you have to pass that kind of level so you can study at the university. Yeah. That is a dynamic course for international communication. We focus on natural language, that is really speak. And we provide students with an opportunity to confirm their own progress at the end of every easy-to-learn lesson. And English is unforgettable, right? We make it unforgettable, unique step-by-step discussion builder. Yeah. And we have resources for the students to learn. That we have a super CD-ROM at the back of the book. Yeah, they can study on their own. That can motivate them to learn English. Okay. We have multi-exposure to new language, new opportunity to practice it. Intensive systematic recycling, like this one. Yeah. So at the end of every lesson, that is kind of consolidation. They can like revise. They can practice the language they have learned before. I think that textbook is very good one because that is a set for many teachers from the native country. They like this book a lot. It's very brilliant way. But maybe it depends on the teacher how to use it, how to explore it.
Who is the other? Is it what national?
We are from America, Fiji, Ireland, Singapore.
And not top notch.
Thomas from Pearson Longman.
If the new English program that focus on international English, you know, if before we talking about the American English or British English, but now it's international English because you know we have now the communication is between more than with America or British. But also for example, Singapore, Filipino, India, they also have many trends of English. So the Top Knot and Summit is focused on interactive with worldwide who speak English, not focused in British or American. So all their practice is very varied.
You mean the audio, from maybe Indian speaking, right? Singaporean speaking, maybe from Thai.
Yeah. New set of textbook tend to have a combination of
It's not American speaking, right? It's combination from many nationality. And it's very easy for teacher to use this book. Because a 2 page, when you cover one lesson, 1.5. So very easy. So ready to you for busy teacher.
busy teacher.
I like this. That is 2 pages. It's a little bit blur, but yeah, that is 2 pages, and that covers for one lesson. And one target language can be obtained after studying 2 pages. And at the end of each session, they have, like you say, they confirm their progress at the end.